7717. Thank you, Miss K. Have a great one. Okay. Go ahead and tell me the name for your order.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Mr. Sullivan Man and Miss TJInspires. We are at Wing Quarter, ladies and gentlemen. You know, y'all see here in the background. We're about to get our food in a few minutes. We're going to let y'all know we are in the heart of Houston, right over here by Texas Southern. So we're going to get these wings and let y'all know what it's hitting on. All right, y'all. See y'all in a bit. So what's going on, folks? Once again, Mr. Sullivan Man, we're still at Wing Quarters. Got the dessert. Got the regular beignets, Chinese in New Orleans and plus Louisiana. And now out here in Houston. So we're gonna try this, let y'all know what it's hitting on. It's actually pretty good. Not as great as you would find in New Orleans, but you know, I'm enjoying it.
Wing quarters.
The wings are the star of the show. So if you know I haven't tried all of the food here, but the wings are definitely well seasoned, like a party in your mouth, like for real. So the fries are okay, but it's not definitely the wings are for me. You know, the wings are the star of the show. So what's going on, folks? Once again, Mr. Sullivan Man, we're still at Wing Quarters. Got the dessert. Got the regular beignets, Chinese in New Orleans and plus Louisiana. And now out here in Houston. So we're gonna try this, let y'all know what it's hitting on. It's actually pretty good. Not as great as you would find in New Orleans, but you know, I'm enjoying it.